Hi, I'm Jacob Rhodes from NuImage Awnings. Let's go over the assembly and installation of the NuImage Awning 1100 and 1500 series door canopies. If you ordered an 1100 series canopy, it will have come in a single box. If you opted for the 1500 series, you will have received this second box containing your side wings. Make sure to review your parts checklist in your installation instructions and verify that you have received everything necessary for assembly. To properly assemble the canopy, you should have a Phillips head screwdriver, 1/4 inch hex head screwdriver bit, a pair of channel lock pliers, power drill, level, and tape measure. For step 1, we will be assembling the canopy and connecting canopy slats. It is important that the slats are assembled properly so that rainwater will not leak through the seams where slats join. The canopy is assembled upside down, and note that that is how the slats are packaged. You should use a flat, soft surface to assemble the canopy on. We recommend assembling on a towel or cloth. Please note, canopy parts may have sharp edges, so be careful not to cut yourself. Begin by laying the first slat out, curled edge down, on your left with ends toward you. If your canopy is colored, place the colored side down. Slide each subsequent slat into the curled up edge on the right. Be sure the slats interlock properly. When all slats are interlocked together, the slat section of the canopy is ready for the next step. Step 2. While keeping slat sections flush with each other, crimp slats together at each seam interlock with a pair of channel lock pliers about 1/4 inch in from the edge. Not too much, only enough to secure them together. Be sure to keep the plier teeth level with slats so that you do not accidentally bend them up while crimping. Step 3. Slide the top trim onto the slat section end with curled down and the pre-punched holes of the top trim up. You can locate the top of the slat section by identifying the overlap of the slats in which rainwater will trickle down over and not into any cracks. Step 4. At the end with the curl up, slide the front gutter onto slat section. Be sure to slide the slat sections correctly into the channel of the front gutter as shown. Make sure the pre-punched holes of the front gutter are up. Step 5 and 6. Slide the top trim out from the slat section about 2 inches to provide clearance. Next, slide the non-curved end of the edge rafter into top trim, making sure the opposite curved end of the edge rafter is up. Next, slide both top trim and edge rafter back towards slat section and push edge rafter onto slat section edge evenly until slat section and the top trim are completely flush into edge rafter. Connect the edge rafter and slat section with the front gutter. Again, slat section and front gutter must be flush in the edge rafter. With slat section still secure flush in edge rafter, slide front gutter toward you and flush into the edge rafter. Aligning pre-punched holes, it will fit snug. Step 7. Fasten small screws in the 2 larger pre-punched holes along edge rafter. Support the underside of the slat section and apply pressure while fastening screws. Repeat edge rafter assembly on the other side. Step 8. Align canopy rafter with pre-punched holes in the center of the top trim first and secure with small screws. Then repeat with the other end of the canopy rafter in the center on the front gutter and secure with small screws. Pre-punched holes will guide the installation of multiple canopy rafters. Step 9. Connect canopy slat section to the canopy rafter using interlock clips at each joint where the slats interlock. First, insert the curved part of the clip into slat joint. Second, slide clip onto canopy rafter. Interlock clips are installed on the flat section of the awning only, not at the curve. If stubborn, make sure they are straight and parallel with the slat joint. Now that we've finished the assembly of the awning, if you've purchased the 1100 series, we're ready to install. If you've purchased the 1500 series, it's now time to add the side wings. After determining your mounting location, install mounting bar and secure with large screws above the door. Support arms require a minimum of 3 inches above door. Be sure the mounting bar is level and centered over the opening. Screws must be in studs or heavy sheathing. Caulk the top of the mounting bar against the house. Lift the front of the canopy upward and insert the top trim into the mounting bar. Lower front of canopy slowly and allow support arms to rest on the house. Be sure the two parts are completely interlocked. Secure top trim to mounting bar with small screws from bottom side. Adjust support arms for desired pitch. Be sure your door opens completely before attaching. Align deluxe castings, level and secure to wall with large screws. Tighten set screws on brackets. Installation of door canopy with support arms is now complete. If using side wings, attach sides to edge rafter with small screws using pre-drilled holes. Install mounting bar with large screws above the door. Be sure the mounting bar is leveled and centered over the opening. Screws must be in studs or heavy sheathing. Please note, side wings require 13 inches of headroom over door for mounting. Special order low mount side wings require 6 inches of headroom for mounting. Caulk the top of the mounting bar against the house. Lift the front of the canopy upward and insert the top trim into the mounting bar. Lower front of canopy slowly and allow side wings to rest on the house. Be sure the two parts are completely interlocked. Align holes and secure top trim to mounting bar with small screws from bottom side. Adjust side wings so they are vertically plumb. Attach side wings to the house with large screws. Installation of door canopy with side wings is now complete. That completes the installation of your aluminum canopy. If you have any questions, you can download the written instructions from the link below. You can also email us at customerservice@NuImageAwnings.com or call us at 1-800-901-3313, both of which can be found below in the description.